Yes, it's the same day. Don't see me judging me. I am going to show you guys what I do to this hair to make it look like this. Honestly, I want to do it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do this tomorrow. No, I should probably do it today. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how I detangle and all that and style essentially. This isn't glued down, so if you see the lace, you know, whatever. I rock a boat like Aaliyah. I rock a bob like Sia. You could do this on or off of your head. I'm doing it on, of course, because I just need you guys to see how it looks wet. Use a spray bottle. Start from the ends. I don't know who she's a security dog to because she's too tiny to protect me. But moving on. I'm talking about my dog if you didn't hear her little bark. Ooh. She barks like this. Ooh. When there's a threat. We want it drenched, but not too drenched, but I drenched it way too much and we're just gonna forget about that. This is way harder to do when it's on your head. So I'm gonna do the easy concept of this and you just wanna repeat this throughout your entire head. So I'm gonna start with the spray. Spray the hair, brush through from ends to root. There's a tangle there. You just wanna. I'm using a detangling brush, not just any brush, okay? This twisting butter, intense hydration from Shea Moisture. Put it from ends to root. Try to keep the product off of the roots as much as possible, but if they need to go there, they need to go there. Brush it in, make sure the hair saturates that product that you have. Yeah, that's what we want. And then move on to the next section of hair. Spray her with water from the ends to the root again. Basically, I drench it whenever I do this. So, put some of that twist defining cream on it. We love that. And then brush through. Make sure the product is soaked in. And then look at that. We want it to be clumped, right? So we want it like clumped like that. And it's gonna dry, clumped and curly. Which is the look we're going for. The styling that I personally tend to go for because curly hair fizzes up anyway. So let's start it out tamed. And then work our way up. Spray, especially this part, because that part tends to be annoying. Put some twist defining butter there. Yeah, and I'm gonna do this for the rest of my head of hair. And then I will be back. So this is dry. This is damp, not wet. This is damp. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side. Spray. And you don't have to use a twist defining cream. You can use conditioner. You can use gel. Don't recommend gel because gel is kind of annoying to work with long term. It might mess up the hair long term. Just like any curly hair, gel is just not the best option. Start working with it. Spray the ends especially. Work your way up. Make sure they're clumped together. Spray here a little bit of water if you need to. I'm just gonna brush them together now to know that the back is really detangled. And then we just let this dry. I love to let it air dry. You have to let it air dry. If you don't let it air dry, then it's just gonna frizz up. Normal curly hair, but if you let it air dry, it's like, it's a guarantee that it's gonna be bomb when it dries. It's gonna be so good. Eee, amazing when it dries. And if you love the wet look, you know, then add some gel at this point, but I don't really care for the wet look, so I just leave it like this, right? And let it dry. I'm basically gonna wash it tomorrow, so that's why I'm putting so much product in. So yes, go ahead, go to ISEE Hair. The link will be in the description. Go to ISEE Hair and look at the hair you want. You don't have to get this texture. They have a Mongolian kinky curly, which is even more curlier than this. They also have body wave, deep wave, like come on, or is it deep curly? I can't remember, but it's really, really good hair, so might as well spend that coin and be satisfied with what you have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Please. Bye.